The Bakersfield Police Department has joined forces with the Police Activities League this summer to host several junior police academy sessions. The academy is for kids ages 14 to 17 years old with an interest in law enforcement. The academy is kicked off today and will be held through August 7th. The mission of the academy is to provide possible recruits with a foundation in law enforcement, enhance social skills, and will focus on leadership and accountability. Only 50 students will be allowed per session, so you may want to hurry if you'd like to sign up your child. If you're interested, we have information on our website, turnto23.com.